everybody. Just want to introduce you to our new listing in downtown Greenville, 9 Deering Street. Just want to show you a few of the features here. This was a totally renovated home back in 2019. They took it down to the studs, so it's got all new plumbing, new wiring. Everything here is new, so take a look. In the kitchen, they replaced all the cabinets, opened up the great room where you can see into the dining room. You've got all new hardware, all new stainless steel appliances. You have crown molding throughout, recessed lighting. You have a pantry closet, and then you've got a full walk-in laundry room with some cabinet space. You have wainscoting around your dining room, luxury vinyl flooring throughout. You have hardwood floors on the staircase that goes to upstairs. It's a large room. You have a lot of windows. You've got a lot of natural light flowing through, and your master is on the main level. This master is what people want. It's beautiful. You got a good amount of space. You've got a ceiling fan. You have crown molding. You have a nice sized walk-in closet. And then you've got a luxury bath with a full walk-in tiled shower, double vanities, nice tiled floor. It's beautiful.